Do you crave a meal that is colorful, delicious, nutritious, sweet, and spicy? Or you have a visitor you want to impress with your culinary skill? Guys, I got you covered. This meal is a versatile one that can be eaten as a meal on its own, as a side dish, or can be paired with rice, pasta, or yam. You name it. This meal is no other but our Chic Dodo. Chic Dodo is a combination of fried chickens, plantains, and a delicious sauce. We marry all of these three together in one pot. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious dish. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm sure you're going to like what you see. So please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Salt, ripe plantains, blended pepper mix, purple cabbage, carrots, yellow and green bell pepper, spring onions, curry, dried thyme leaves, white pepper, seasoning, onions, chicken breast, pepper mix of what you saw earlier, the blended pepper mix. So guys, we are going to start by washing all our ingredients first. Right now I'm washing the bell peppers. You need to remove the seeds in, wash it thoroughly. Then I'm washing the purple cabbage, the garlic, ginger. We just want to wash everything. So right now I'm cutting the spring onions. You need to cut it, in tiny bits because we are going to use it for garnishing. So now we are slicing our onions. We're going to chop it in small. Our green bell pepper, we're also going to be slicing it in small bits. So we chop the yellow bell pepper also. For our purple cabbage, you need to slice it. This would not only add taste, but pop of color to our dough. For the carrots, we chop it also. So we pound our ginger and garlic to a paste. For the chicken breast, this is our ginger garlic paste, white pepper, dried thyme, curry, nutmeg powder, dried thyme leaves, seasoning, and salt to taste. Okay, so after adding the ingredients, you need to mix it well, like you're massaging ingredients into the chicken. So you mix it well to combine. Okay guys, so we've prepped all our ingredients and I would just like to display them to you. This is the onions, garlic, ginger. This is our tomatoes. This is tatashe shombo. This is the chicken. This is actually chicken breast. This chicken breast is like the softest, the juiciest part of the chicken. So that's why we need to use it for this particular recipe. And it has also been spiced. Then this is our plantain, which has been chopped. This is carrots, and these are vegetables, cabbage, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and our spring onions. So now we are going to marry all of the ingredients together, and it's going to give us a burst of flavor. So to start cooking, we'll add our vegetable oil, then we fry our plantains. So as it is right now, our plantain is well fried already. Then next we are going to fry our chicken in the same oil. for the part of the chicken we use, which is the chicken breast, it's a soft and juicy part of the chicken. It doesn't take time to cook, so just frying it will make it cook enough. Right now our chicken is already fried. You can see it's also looking golden brown. Okay, so right now the onions is fried. You make it, once you see that it's translucent to an extent, you know that your onions is fried. Then you add your pepper mix to it. Allow this to fry. After that, we introduce our diced plantains and the chicken. So you want all of this, you want to mix all of them very well together in the pot. Add our veggies, which is the purple cabbage, the carrots, the bell peppers. You fry everything, you add up everything together, allow it to fry for a while. So this meal, our Chic Dodo, at this point is ready. You can serve with rice, with your yam, with your pasta. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video.